Good morning students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra G School Jhansi. Today we are starting third chapter of Business Studies of class 12th, Business Environment. As you know, we have successfully completed first two chapters along with home assignment, but today we are starting with the new chapter, that is Business Environment. So before starting it, what is business environment? A business environment refers to all forces, factors, individuals and institutions which are outside the control of business enterprise, but these may affect its performance. In simple words, the business environment is the surrounding in which business exists and survive. Now, since environment factor influence business enterprise, so it becomes essential for businessmen to do environment scanning. Environment scanning refers to a complete awareness and understanding, analysis of business environment. With environment scanning, business enterprise can anticipate the effect of environment force and factor on their enterprise. Now, what are the features of business environment? Basically, there are 7 features of business environment. We will take one by one. First is all the external forces. Business environment includes sum total of all forces, individual institutions and factors which are external to business organization. Second, there are 2 types of forces. One is specific, other is general. Specific forces affects business enterprise directly, and general forces are those forces which affect business indirectly. The example are supplier, investor, customer are specific forces, whereas political, legal, technological are general forces. Third, interrelationship. All the forces and factors of business environment are interrelated to each other. Fourth, uncertainty. It is very difficult to predict the changes of business environment as environment is keep on changing. Fifth, business environment is highly flexible and dynamic concept. It is not static or rigid. Sixth, complicated and complex. It is very difficult to understand the impact of business environment on the companies. Although it is easy to scan the business environment, but it is very difficult to know how these changes all will influence the business decision. Seventh, relativity. Business environment differs from country to country, region to region as political condition, culture and different in different countries. For example, there may be more demand for sarees in India as compared to USA or UK. Now, the next topic is importance or significance of business environment. Basically, there are 6 importance of business environment. First is enable the firm to identify the opportunities and getting first more over advantage. The businessmen who are able to understand and scan the opportunities of BE at early stage, they get maximum benefit or they can capture big share in the market. Second, helps the firm to identify the threats and early warning signals. Businessmen who are able to scan and understand the business environment on time get a warning signal to deal with the constraints or the negative policy of the business environment. Timely scanning of BE and the qualitative information which businessmen get is taken as a warning signal. Third, helpful in taping and assembling the resources. Businessmen have to supply the goods to the market according to the demand in the market. To supply the output, they need input. They acquire raw material and other resources, keeping in the mind the output demand in the environment. Fourth, helps to adjust and adapt with the rapid changes. Today, changes are taking place very fast and these changes have great impact on the business. Fifth, assisting in planning and policy making. The major strategies or plan and the policies in the BO are formed keeping in the mind of business environment, because the policies and strategies have to be implemented in the presence of environmental factor only. Last, improvement in performance. With the continuous scanning of business environment, companies can easily improve their performance by making changes in the internal environment matching to the external environment. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice